welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are ya? My name is Annabelle and I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be showing you my 3 favorite no heat hairstyles that I have been loving on my short hair. If you've been watching for the last weeks, you know I cut my hair, but I actually just got it cut even shorter last week and I'm obsessed. I have a wedding in a few weeks and I wanted it to be at a perfect length, so we went like super short knowing that it was gonna grow. And I actually also got it dyed yesterday. You know I always color my own hair, but a stylist reached out to me and was like, I would love to color your hair. So we've got an amazing cowboy cop or whatever they're calling it these days, but a tonal, darker auburn color that I love to do. I've done really similar hair colors to this in the past where I walk you through it. So those videos are on my channel. I'll link the video to a really similar hair color that I've done before like this, but yes, he did it and I don't know the formula, but I'm obsessed. So let's just get into these hairstyles. Short hair is such a huge trend right now and so many of you have short hair and have been asking me to do more hair tutorials, so I'm going to show you some of my favorite. Things first, I love to part my hair down the middle, but it is a little bit crooked, so I am just going to straighten that out. For this first hairstyle, you can use bobby pins, you can use fun clips like this. You really could use whatever you've got. I just got these from Etika. I went to a little launch for them and it was so cute. But I actually love just using bobby pins, and you're gonna take a section from your parting down into your ear, and then you can take this and just clip this out of the way temporarily. Then you are going to match it on the other side. These hairstyles are great because they're easy, really honestly, whatever length you have. They're also no heat, and with fall around the corner, it's fun to have some fresh hair. You're gonna wanna take a bristle brush or whatever can really smooth your hair, and if you have texture or curl, you can always add some gel, but I'm just gonna smooth that and tuck it behind my ear and immediately go in with these clips. Take one clip, oh, so cute, and I'm gonna do 2 on each side. Clip, I just love it. Okay, let me do the other side. I'm gonna smooth and clip. Okay, now just release the hair from behind. Hairstyle is so cute, keeps it out of your face, super wearable. And if you were even wanting to elevate it a little bit, you could take your back crown section, you could add some hairspray, you could take your little comb and just give it a little tease. And then you even have some volume, which makes this like, I don't know, more like wedding guest vibes and gives you a nice little look. How cute is that one? Easy peasy, but looks like you put in all the effort. Alright, the next thing I have been loving on short hair, like it just hits different on short hair, is like a messy little top knot, but of course we can't put all of our hair up. So how I love to do this is I will always pull out little pieces around my face, especially if you have like a 1 length bob. This is just like so easy to do. So I'll always pull out these little strands around my face and pin them up so we can let them down in a second. And then I literally, without trying too hard, will just take my fingers right above my ears, pull up almost to the crown of my head, and you can like slightly smooth out the sides. I like to brush this back. And then all I'll do is I'll take a hair tie. You can use a colored one, whatever. I'm just gonna use this brown scrunchie, and I will just quickly do like a messy little top knot. Never try too hard. I feel like when you try it the least, it always turns out the best. Then I'll pull out these little pieces right around my face and take down my strands. I feel like this is the cutest hairstyle on short hair, whether your hair's curled, wavy, bent in like mine. It's just so effortless and cute, and you can add accessories to spice it up. I actually will wear my hair to work out a lot like this as well. I'll put these back instead, but otherwise this is like the cuter elevated version for any everyday activities, date night, girls night, and it's just so cute and so easy, and short hair just makes it look so good. All right, for our third and final fun hairstyle on short hair, I am going to section off a larger chunk around my face that I think would be cute to braid. When you have one length like this, it's really fun to do these sorts of hairstyles. So I don't know if you can see the larger triangle, but you can kind of take as big of a section as you want to, depending on your hair thickness and hair density. I got both sides. I'll clip one to the side, and then I will take this, and instead of like braiding it this way, like so often we just start braiding our hair, you do need to kind of pull it to the side when you braid it. It's just a 3-strand braid, but otherwise the braid will hang right in your face. So you kind of want to position your hands a bit to the side, if that makes sense, just so the braid can hang in a face framing way instead of directly in front of your eyes. And I secure with an elastic, and then I will repeat on the other side. And then I always like to take my fingers and slightly fluff up the braids just to make them look a little bit fuller and kind of softens them so they don't stick directly out. And just like that, you have the cutest little braid hairstyle. You could tuck the rest of your hair behind your ears. You could pull it forward and kind of just get them to blend in. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of an accessory. I bought these from Amazon. They're little star clips. I mean, it takes me back to my childhood. And I like just adding it right at the top like that. Just because I think it's cute. It makes it a little bit more exciting. We've seen the braids done so many times, so it kind of just gives us something a little bit exciting that we've got going on right in the front, some little stars. But that is my third and final hairstyle that I've been loving on the short hair. Short hair is so fun, and hair will always grow. I know it doesn't necessarily always grow fast, but it grows in general, and I hope you guys try some of these hairstyles and enjoy them and love them and just rock it, because life's too short to not have some fun with your hair. All right, you guys, I love you so, so much. I will see you in my next video. Hope you're keeping safe and well, and more videos to come, and chat to you soon. Bye.